Home Remedies presents only half teaspoon to control high blood pressure. Here's how it works. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a natural, safe alternative to control your high blood pressure. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. Generally, the first line of defense for hypertension is drug therapy. But before starting a drug therapy, try lifestyle changes and some home remedies for high blood pressure. Medications can be harsh and while best avoided if possible. If you are on them, know that natural remedies can interfere with their functioning. Hypertension or high blood pressure can majorly affect your heart health. If left untreated, it can put you at a higher risk of heart diseases. Cardamom can help you control your blood pressure naturally. Cardamom is one spice which can help you control high blood pressure. Cardamom, due to its antioxidant and diuretic properties, it increases the urine volume and excretes higher levels of sodium and potassium ions. This in turn helps to relax blood vessels walls, which decreases blood pressure. Incorporating a small amount of cardamom in your diet can help you maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Relation between cardamom and blood pressure. Cardamom is known as the queen of spices. The most important benefit of cardamom is that it has antioxidant properties which promote heart health. Cardamom also contains fiber, the nutrient that can help lower cholesterol levels and enhance heart health. Because of these properties, the spice also can lower blood pressure levels, and this benefits the heart health as well. There are two main types of cardamom: green, which is generally used for sweets or desserts; black, which is used for the preparation of garam masala. For this, you have to use the green one. Here is how it works and also know how to consume it. Hypertension. How much cardamom should be consumed? Backed up by research, take half teaspoon of cardamom powder divided into 2 doses for almost 12 weeks continuously and see the results. You can take it in morning and evening with warm water before food. Your blood pressure will be reduced. It can improve heart health and reduce the risk of heart diseases by controlling one of the major risk factors, which is high blood pressure. You can add cardamom to your teas or milk. Try this and share your results. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.